Manage Store Gift Card. Go to General Settings. Select Operation. Select on Secure Type. Go to Interface. Go to Sales Screen Interface. Drag and drop Gift Card Sales button to the right. Go to Operation, press Manage Gift Card. Press Settings. Enter gift card amount from Amount 1 to Amount 4. Enter minimum and maximum amount for custom amount. You can transfer reward points to gift card. Press Gift Card Sales. Scan or enter gift card number. Select the amount or enter custom amount. Go to Payment Setup. Enable Store Gift Card. Press Store Gift Card. Scan or enter gift card number. Press Pay with gift card. Edit Customer. Press to gift card. Scan or enter gift card number. Points successfully transferred to gift card.